Hello everybody, it's Mrs. Hill here making a quick tutorial video on how to check our grades in the online school for our career class. So if you're not sure how to find out why you have the grade that you have, it's very simple. I am kind of impersonating a student right now. Hopefully your grade says 100% as well. But if it didn't and you want to know why, I want you to come up here to this tab at the top that says grades. So right here in our online school, even though we don't work in the online school, I always go and take the grades from Smart Future and I put them into our online school as quickly as I can. So if you were missing an assignment, it's going to bring your grade down pretty low. If you did an assignment and you have an F here, I don't want you to panic. Nobody gets partial credit for an assignment. I want you to do a good job, and if you do a good job, you get the 10 out of 10. So maybe you need to add to it. Maybe you need to complete all parts of that resume. Maybe you need to provide some more examples on the conflict resolution assignment. But this is where you can check and find out why your grade is what it is. Hopefully it's just like this student's here and you have all this feed work that says good work and you have the full 10 out of 10 points. This is always a place you can come and check your grades. Thanks so much.